Ten Commandments. Rule number 1. Thou shalt have no other gods before me. Rule number 2. Thou shalt not make unto thee any graven image or any likeness of anything that is in heaven above, or that is in the earth beneath, or that is in the water under the earth. Rule number 3, thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain, for the Lord will not hold him guiltless that taketh his name in vain. Rule number 4, remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Rule number 5, honor thy father and thy mother, that thy days may be long upon the land which the Lord thy God give thee. Rule number 6, thou shalt not kill. Rule number 7, thou shalt not commit adultery. Rule number 8, thou shalt not steal. Rule number 9, thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbors. Rule number 10, thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's house. Thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's wife, nor his manservant, nor his maidservant, nor his ox, nor his ass, nor anything that is thy neighbor's.
Yay! Ang ginagawa ng isa. Yay!